We're still a long way from seeing the Samsung Galaxy S25 phones in the wild, but the rumor mill never stops. Despite claims that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset may raise pricing for many Android flagship phones, a fresh report from Android Police suggests that Samsung is betting big on Qualcomm's next-generation semiconductors for the S25 series. Previously, it was rumored that Samsung would use its own Exynos chips. The 3nm Exynos 2500 chips are expected to be released in 2025, and they may be the next chips in the S25 family, at least outside of the United States. In some markets, the S24 series currently employs Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPUs, while in others, the Exynos 2400 powers the S24 and S24 Plus. The S24 Ultra is available in all territories with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. However, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo stated on X that Qualcomm will be the sole supplier of the S25 series. He argues that the Exynos 2500 may not ship at all due to Samsung's difficulties with the 3M production process. This would not come as a major surprise to Samsung, as they have done it previously. All Galaxy S23 phones were powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. According to Kuo's claim, Samsung appears to be struggling to build enough functioning 3nm Exynos processors. Qualcomm is more than likely already working on the next generation of Snapdragon 8 CPUs. We expect the business to introduce the new chipset around September or October. For many, upgrading to Qualcomm chips will be beneficial. In our benchmark tests, the Exynos 2400 consistently ranked worse than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Qualcomm processors outperformed Samsung Exynos chips in terms of performance and efficiency. Unfortunately, going all in on Qualcomm's upcoming chips may raise the price of any phone in which they are fitted. Ming-Chi Kuo also stated that the price could rise between 25% and 30%. Not to mention that the S25's batteries may be insufficient to power the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 CPUs. This year's Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and the S24 Ultra are priced at $799, $999, and $1,299 respectively. The S24 Ultra was the only one that saw a price increase over the S23 Ultra, but it appears that the entire portfolio will become more expensive. The S25 Ultra's design is expected to follow in the footsteps of its predecessor, the S24 Ultra, but with a more promising future. This means we should expect a sleek and beautiful phone with a premium titanium frame and the standard vertically stacked camera array on the back. However, reports imply a somewhat larger screen size of roughly 6.9 inches. This results in an even more immersive viewing experience, ideal for gamers, moviegoers, and anybody who enjoys consuming material on the go. The most significant design improvement could be the display's peak brightness. Leaks indicate that Samsung may be making changes in this area, making the S25 Ultra even more suited for bright outdoor environments. The camera is a megapixel monster in the making. The camera department is where things get interesting. The S25 Ultra is said to include a massive 200 megapixel primary sensor. That's true, you heard that correctly, 200 megapixels. Consider taking images with great detail, allowing you to zoom in and trim without losing quality. This would be a substantial improvement over the S24 Ultra's camera, putting Samsung at the forefront of mobile photography innovation. But megapixels are not everything. An ultra-wide lens will also be upgraded from 12 to 50 megapixels, making it more versatile. This means you'll be able to take gorgeous wide-angle photos with incredible clarity. There are also hints of a changeable telephoto lens. This could result in smoother zoom transitions during video recording, a feature videographers will undoubtedly appreciate. One intriguing rumor says that Samsung may eliminate the second telephoto lens. Instead, they may rely on a 3x crop zoom from the main sensor. While this may simplify the camera system, it is critical to determine how it compares to a dedicated telephoto lens in terms of image quality and zoom capability. Powerhouse performance. This powerful CPU guarantees lightning-fast performance, performing even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're a gamer, multitasker, or creative worker, the S25 Ultra should meet your needs. Another intriguing report is the inclusion of US 4.1 storage. This technology provides much faster data transfer speeds than its predecessor. This leads to faster app loading times, smoother multitasking, and improved on-device AI task performance. Imagine editing high-resolution videos on your phone or running complicated AI apps, all owing to lightning-fast storage. Battery life, familiar territory, or significant boost in terms of battery life, Reports say that the S25 Ultra will stick with a 5,000 mAh capacity, identical to the S24 Ultra. While this is still a big battery size that should last most users a full day on a single charge, other rumors suggest an increase to meet the power demands of the new chipset. It remains to be seen whether this results in a significant improvement in battery life. The S25 Ultra is slated to come with the most recent Android 15 operating system, providing you with access to all of the latest features and functionalities. Samsung is also recognized for its dedication to long-term software. So let us know what you think in the comments section. As always, see you tomorrow. Peace out.